Hey everyone, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there. I am going to do some holiday DIY decor in this video, and I've done something like this before. It's called my Fall Decor video. It went fabulous. Linked that video down below. Make sure you check that out as well. So let's go ahead and get started. To save some time, I did glue the mirrors. I bought these mirrors at the Dollar Tree. It's something like that. Glued it on already with using the E6000 glue and hot glue. I've never used that glue before. It takes a really long time to dry. 8 different mirrors. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, yeah. But anyways, we started this. Some foam cubes that I bought from the Dollar Tree as well. I'm gonna put that inside the frame. Inside the box? No, we're not starting with this. We're not making that same mistake again where we're starting off at something when we should be starting on the thing that takes the longest. We're gonna paint again. Yes, we are. Got this at the Dollar Tree. This frame thing with a mirror inside. We're gonna paint this ring. No, I didn't buy any more paint. Don't know why, but we're gonna use the same colors again. Green and pink. Foam brush. You guys see the new coffee mugs from holiday cups from Starbucks? It's so cute. It says Merry Coffee instead of Merry Christmas, you know? You guys are sick and you guys haven't tried medicine ball or the sick tea, try it. It's so good. It has like lemonade, mint, and like some there crack. I'm just kidding. Okay. All right. Put that to the side and let it dry. So we move on to this. I bought a bunch of stuff from the Dollar Tree, Michael's. Let's see. So I don't know what I'm doing. Play around with it, where you're gonna place all these stuff. I got from, yeah, I got this from Michael's. This is hard because I'm trying to make this the front, and you know, you see me? I got this idea from this YouTuber. I'll link her as well right here. She is great if you're trying to like save money on your home decors. But come back to me, keep watching me too. Yeah. I got these from Michael's too. What am I gonna do with you? Oh. I don't even know what these are for. I think they're for like your Christmas tree, or what are they for? You tell me. Yeah, I'm definitely doing like a rose gold theme this year. Where did I put this one? I didn't put it on there. Just kidding, I have to. Guys, watch this. Assistant! Hi! Know where my wire cutter is? These aren't it. Oh, never mind, these work. I got these flowers at the Dollar Tree. Hello, there we go. Did I cut it too short? I got these from the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 2, and it's like the dusters that you use to dust. So I'm gonna use that as like fake snow. Cute. I add more. These are so pretty. Most decors, I feel like you just have to play around with it. Just hope it turns out the way you want it to. Don't need that. So I bought these 2. This one or this one? Comment down below. Just kidding. Chunky blanket. You guys want to learn how to make it? Link down below. Guys, the camera keeps dying. I think there's a setting or something that it just like turns off after a certain time or something. I'm gonna burn myself again. Let's do this. Is it centered? Pretty good. Yeah, okay. So I bought this frame from the Dollar Tree. Take it out of this. Look at it. It's broken. Dollar Tree. Printed out this. I'm gonna trace it with white paint. You see their noses? First time I'm ever using this, so we'll see how this goes. Shake your arms. Should have really got a smaller pen tip. Pen tip is huge. This glass broke, and I don't know if it broke here or broke somewhere else, but it's missing a whole piece. Okay, maybe it's here. Hey guys, so we got some technical difficulties. Yeah, so the glass broke, paint's not drying, it's just, look at my hands. I totally forgot to buy like a background for the frame, so I just had to print something out. Be smarter than me and buy like a little like paper, like a glitter construction paper or something. It's pretty, but it could be better. I feel like the frame. I'm not trying to burn myself again. You know, the back of it. My friends are just like, oh, I like it when you got burnt. Thanks. I know now the content that you like to watch is me being in pain. I got too excited too quick. Alright guys, and we're back. And you probably didn't know that I left because it's edited out. I think from the last clip you guys saw that it fell off, but it's gonna look like this. Imagine it. All this glitter everywhere. A fun time cleaning up. Smart. I'm not using my finger to like press the things down. Ow! It wouldn't be a DIY video if I didn't hurt myself. Paint on my thing. Oh man. I'm gonna put this in here. I mean, how would they charge for like this one thing, right? Might as well just give it for free. I feel like I got glitter all over myself. Yeah, we're gonna go like this. Yeah, here we go. You can put whatever you want on here, but I got something from the Dollar Tree as well. Flowers that I got. I'm gonna put it inside. Am I done? I kind of wish I did pink. Oh man. Learn from my mistakes, guys. Learn from my mistakes. I wanted to do gray, but then everything else is like a rose gold theme. This is such a bad paint job. It's happening. It's happening. Okay. It's gonna be so messy. I committed. You commit, right? Boom. Hey, we did it. clean this up and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so that was my, so that was my holiday decor. I think this is just the type of DIY YouTuber that I am. I don't know if you guys want to see more. I know my videos are probably like just all over the place. Yeah, that's how my brain works. I just look at stuff, buy stuff, and just kind of like create it and put it together. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you guys want to see more. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. We're so close to 100. Thumbs up the video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Oh. Always do that. Bye!